Standard 3 Mathematics Lesson 4 Multiplication Video 5. Children, we have already done word problem exercise 4Q up to 6 number. Today we will start from the 7 number question. So here the question is given, a car can travel 60 km in 1 hour. How far will it travel in 3 hours? So here the question is given that in 1 hour a car it moves 60 km. So for 3 hours how much distance it can cover, we have to find out that. So as it is given about the distance, we will start the statement with distance. So we will write distance covers in 1 hour, it is your 60. Distance covers in 3 hours, we will write it as 60 into 3. Now we will multiply. From ones place we will start. 3 zeros are 0, 3 6 are 18. So 8 we will write below tens place and 1 below 100 place. So the distance it cover is 180 kilometer. Next, question number 8. A tree has 62 leaves. How many leaves are there in 7 such trees? In one tree, if there are 62 leaves, how many are there in 7 trees? We have to find out that. As leaves are countable, so we will start the statement with number of. So we will write number of leaves in a tree, it is 62. And number of leaves in 7 trees, it will be 62 into 7. Now you have to multiply it. 7 2s are 14. So 4 we will write here. 1 will be carried. 7 6 are 42. Plus 1 it will come as your 43. So 3 below tens place and 4 below hundreds place. So what will be the answer? 434 leaves. Now next, come to question number 9. A factory makes 58 toys in a day. How many toys can be made in 6 days? So in one day, the factory produces 58 toys. How many toys they can produce in 6 days? So toys again we can count. So we'll start the statement with number of. So we'll write number of toys made in a day, it is 58. Number of toys made in 6 days, it will be 58 into 6. Now here we will multiply. 6 8s are 48. So we'll write here 8 and 4 will be carried. 6 5s are 30 and plus 4 it comes as your 34. So 4 below tens place and 3 below hundreds place. So what will be the answer? 348 toys. Children, if you know the multiplication table, it will be very easy for you to do the word problems. Now next question, number 10. In a class there are 60 students. Each student requires 8 notebooks. How many notebooks are needed to fulfill the demand? Now one student, he needs 8 notebooks. So we have to find for 60 students. So what we will do? As notebooks are countable, we will start the statement with number of. So we'll write number of notebooks required for each student. We will write 8. Number of notebooks required for 60 students. So how much it will be? 60 into 8. Now multiply it. 8 zeros are 0. 8 6 are 48. So 8 you will write here and 4 here. So the answer will be 480 notebooks. That means a 60 students, they will need 480 notebooks. Now next question, question number 11. A candle factory produces 55 candles in a day. How many candles will this factory produce in 6 days? In a factory, they produce 55 candles in one single day. And you have to find out for 6 days. So candles we can count. So we will start with number of. So write the statement as number of candles produced in one day, it is 55. Number of candles produced in 6 days, it will be 55 into 6. Now we will multiply it. 5 6 are 30. So we'll write here 0 and 3 will be carried here. 6 5 are 30 plus 3 it is 33. So the answer will be 330 candles. Next question. There are 78 buttons in a packet. Find the number of buttons in 8 such packets. In a packet, if there are 48 buttons, you have to find out for 8 packets. Sorry, in one packet it is given 78 buttons and you have to find out for 8 packets. So it will be more. So as buttons are countable, we will start the statement with number of. So how we will write? Number of buttons in a packet, it is 78. Number of buttons in 8 packets, it is 78 into 8. Now just multiply it. 8 8s are 64. So 4 we will write here and 6 will be carried. 8 8s are 56. Plus 6 we will do. So it will be 62. So we will write here 2 and 6 here. So it will be 624 buttons. Now children, you have to write all the questions you have to write and then you have to write the statement and working. Write neatly and write properly below the place values. Thank you. Now we will start with mental maths. Now in mental maths, the first question, multiply the smallest 2-digit number with the greatest 1 digit number. Now children, what is the smallest 2 digit number? 10. Then the greatest 1 digit number, it is 9, and you have to multiply. That means you have to find out the product. So we will multiply these two numbers. So 10 into 9. So 9 zeros are 0, 9 ones are 9. So the product you will get as 90. Now come to question number 9. Find the product of the place values of 2's in 622. Here you have to find out the place value of 2's. Means here 2 2's are given. So you have to find out the place value. So the first 2's place is 10's place. So we will write it as 20. And the second 2 is in the place of 2. 1's place we will write 2. Now you have to find out the product of 2's. So what you have to do? You have to multiply this number. So 2 zeros are 0, 2 2's are 4. So the product is equal to 40. Now next, question number 10. Find the product of the place value and the face value of 5 in 1259. Here you have to find out the place value also and face value also. So first we will write the place value. Place value of 5 in 1259. So we have to find out where 5 is. So you have to write the place value. It is in 10's place. So what it will come as your 50. Now face value of 5 means the digit itself. So 5 we will write as 5. Now you have to find out the product. So you have to multiply it. So 5 zeros are 0 and 5 5's are 25. So 5 we will write here and 2 here. You put the place values so that it will be easy for you to write. So the product is your 250. Thank you.